The best DSLRs still stack up really well against the latest mirrorless cameras, especially if you value old-school handling over the latest gadgets. Mirrorless cameras may be all the rage now, but DSLR design still offers a strong, chunky build, value for money, and a range of lenses that mirrorless cameras have yet to match. We've tested every DSLR on the market, and these are our favorites right now. The best DSLRs are not that far behind their mirrorless counterparts, even today. Many DSLRs include modern mirrorless features such as 4K video, on-sensor phase detect autofocus, and effective live view modes. If you need any product in this video, the links of the products are given below in description. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7. Perfect for beginners, this camera bundle offers the essential tools needed to take your SLR skills to new heights, all in one convenient package. No matter where your next adventure takes you, count on the EOS Rebel T7's impressive 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and wide ISO range of 100-6400 h 12800 to capture high-quality images, even in low-light situations. Number 2. Canon EOS 4000D. Deluxe bundle with camera, 18-55mm lens, wide-angle and telephoto, 64GB case, filter kit, flash, tripod and more. 18.0 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor, DIGIC 4+ image processor, 2.7 feet, 230K LCD monitor. Full HD 1080p video recording at 30fps 9.AF system and AI Servo AF, extended ISO 12800 3fps shooting. Built-in Wi-Fi, Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, Creative Auto Modes and Manual Modes. Canon EOS 4000D is known as Canon EOS Rebel T100 International Model, no manufacturers. Optical zoom, 3.0 multiplier _X. Number 1. Canon EOS 2000D. The Canon EOS 2000D Rebel T7 DSLR camera bundle is an excellent choice for amateur photographers looking for a high-quality camera with a wide range of features. It comes with a 24.1 megapixels APS-C CMOS sensor, DIGIC 4+ image processor, 3.0 920K LCD monitor, Full HD 1080-30p video recording, 9.AF with center cross type point, ISO 100-6400, up to 3 fps shooting, built-in Wi-Fi with NFC, Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, Creative Filters and Creative Auto Modes. The bundle also includes a Canon EFS 18-55mm f3.5 to 5.6 DC3 zoom lens, 2x SanDisk 64GB class 10 SD memory cards, USB card reader, 58mm 3-piece filter kit, 58mm 4-piece macro kit, 58mm 0.43 wide-angle lens, 58mm 2.2x telephoto lens, 58mm tulip hood, 50-inch DSLR tripod, battery charger, spare high-capacity battery, spare travel charger, wired remote shutter, slave flash, lens caps, body cap, neck strap, Jerry's photo lens cleaning cloth, camera gadget bag, and 1-year seller-supplied warranty.